Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, muthenya waira Uhuru chairman wa Azimio nira appointire Kalonzo Musyoka ta party leader wa Azimio la Umoja Kenya Alliance. Okay. The big question is, nimureyuria niki Azimio yahuana ta revival ne Uhuru? Atiriri, nimureyuria niki Uhuru atuire Kalonzo party leader wa Azimio? Nimureyuria kuna andu marauga atiriri, it's a big blunder ko revive Azimio yet twina united opposition. Of course, tuli thithura kia mwaka 27 andu matingitumira ngari ya Azimio. Asha no ngina united opposition ikorwo irioho. Okay, tondu ngari ino ya Azimio already ni hetukitwo ni time. No riri, what's the main reason ya ko revive united opposition, ladies and gentlemen? Kamwire ndi murehe tau reke ndi muthomere uria Kalonzo Musyoka araugire, tondu haha Ruto anachezwa. Riu Uhuru ashaingia kwa game ya guthakira Ruto. Uhuru ni arapointe Kalonzo. Niki Uhuru kwa point Kalonzo, ladies and gentlemen? This is the same guy mari nake kure Nigeria. This is the same guy Kalonzo urekora twika ni aratekire party nene ya kure hamwe mundu gwitwo Uhuru na Rigathi wa Gachagua. Ni ahuna tamarehete hamwe na their handshake. Kalonzo ni yoko operate role nene muno. Guys, rikitobe tuthome uria Kalonzo adikire thini wa wall yake ni kuna andu ingi muno ni marariakite. Kalonzo araugire, I graciously accept my appointment as party leader of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition. I thank our chairman, President Uhuru Kenyatta, the coalition leadership, and all constituent parties for this trust. I congratulate my colleagues entrusted with various leadership positions. Azimio continues to represent the hopes of millions who believed in justice, inclusivity, and a Kenya that works for everyone. We welcome other like-minded individuals and parties to join us as the government in waiting. This is bigger than any individual. It is about Kenya. I urge my fellow countrymen and women not to despair. Together, we will offer principles, leadership, focused, and national renewal. Komboa Kenya inawezekana. Na bemwe, ladies and gentlemen, na mukuona thini wa post ino muduria Kalonzo Musyoka ni aratuirwo party leader wa Azimio la Umoja. Ni kuona Suba South MP Kalonzo Omondi atekira over position ya Junet Mohamed ta secretary general wa kiama kia Azimio. Azimio coalition appoint Kalonzo Musyoka as new party leader. Suba South MP Kalonzo Omondi takes over from Junet Mohamed as secretary general in a major leadership shake-up. Now guys, why Azimio? Na bemwe matumira tactic ya confuse Ruto. And this tactic is very important. Ruto ageshiria ohoro wa united opposition, now Azimio ni hapio. So Ruto harere thaici is a confused fella. Damenya dwa yai marora nako kana kure marorete. Number 2. Mundu gwitwo Kalonzo gutuwo party leader wa Azimio. From my point of view, Uhuru alamu prepare na leadership ya 2027. Now, from my point of view, already I think the marriage and they have settled on Kalonzo. Or I have party leader wa Azimio. From my point of view, already these people have settled that the flag bearer wa united opposition ukali do kama kwa 27 is none other than Kalonzo Musyoka. I think the maikarete the na makauga oyo nihe. So nekio drona taheo giturwa giki kia party leader wa Azimio. Number 3, very important. Atiriri nimukoreto mukiona andu ODM makoreto makiuga atiriri ati baba alituacha kwa broad based government. Now kwina team ino egi ira assist team ya Sifuna, Babu Owino, Amisi na Shweke. To accommodate them, no gina Azimio eko revival. Egetha mugaya tiri now. Baba alituacha kwa Azimio. Remember, Raila Odinga was party leader wa Azimio. So these people, because definitely ODM ni koragana na hala, ODM ni wetokana. ODM enweke aya gema kiwa baba alituacha kwa broad based, aya genao magoka mabie kuya terere. Baba alituacha kwa Azimio na hatutoki Azimio. That's what I'm thinking. So to accommodate ODM, to accommodate akina Sifuna, Babu Owino, and the rest, I am ODM. So from my point of view, they had to revive Azimio so that aya no mogage memo no Azimio. Matikonekana ta maruga kuri orore mwe. Niki oguo niriri makona ere strategy atiriri Azimio neo Raila arugamite nayo. Azimio neo Uhuru ateithirie mũrũgĩtwo Raila Odinga kũrũgama nayo. Azimio nĩ yarĩ party ya Raila hingo ĩno arĩ igona rũgamaga ona angĩoka gũkua arĩ party leader wa Azimio. Igetha gũkorwo na momentum ũcio, from my point of view, no nginya kĩrĩa wĩtwo Azimio ĩngĩra revival. But then it's a bad idea gũthiĩ na Azimio thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027. So in the process, they have to come out with a new coalition. But remember, we have Kenya One coalition, under Ruto, and Azimio but then it's a bad idea within Azimio as a coalition, then we're going to 27. Todo, it's better they come with a new car. And this new car, united opposition, should be Ekeyuko Eyo. So, any united opposition, it's very important. Like all united opposition, it's very important. So, material area, nobody, Azimio Koroeho, ya confuse you, Ruto. So, Ruto thinks he's smart, but then we have smart boys in town. We have people who know him very well. Nekomodakira, ni mind game. And will he survive this? Because now, Ogera in opposition, Matino Mauga party leader or no. In opposition, Matino Mauga flag bearer or no. Matino get a loga call you. Now the more Azimio. So nego keep Ruto busy. Damenya niate. And that's very important. Ruto akwate kumenya their move. Nego Kalonzo atuo party leader Azimio. So mati watiriri. No call we party leader wa united opposition. No ni wani geruto mati go makiwa ni atiriri. No wati go we party leader wa united opposition. So it's about playing with the mind of Ruto. He thinks he's smart, but then these guys wanamchezea kabaya. And now Uhuru akonania atiriri hamwe na united opposition ushagura Kalonzo ni kuonania mekedo kimwe na mehamwe. Okay? Anyway guys, this is what it is. Kwenye podcast, then mohoro yoy wa united opposition. What's your take? No jere then wa comment section. Jera within wa comment section, mwani manyu naiko inyomronatia na uhoro yo wa ukiri kwa Azimio. Azimio ni yagairo wobie jina then wa election kadi fatigodi. Jere hau then wa comment section. Thank you. God bless you guys. This is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you. God bless you.